everyone, welcome to HDA Trading Empire. Now in today's video, I'm going to start a whole series on forex trading for beginners. Now this series will be divided into parts, part 1, 2 and 3, and I want you to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any part. So this is part 1 of the video on forex trading for beginners. But before we start, please do also subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you stay updated with every video and educational content I drop, and you also be updated with the other parts for forex trading for beginners. We first start with what a financial market is. So we look at a financial market, what a financial market is. So we first start with a financial market. Financial market, which represent that with MR key. So now what a financial market simply means is that it's a platform where buyers and sellers meet to trade financial assets. So you can think of financial assets such as houses or real estate, stocks, bonds, currencies, cryptocurrencies and what have you. So it's a platform where people meet to buy and sell financial assets. And now looking at the financial market, we have types of financial market. So one of the financial markets we know is the stock market. We have the stock market. We have the stock market, right? So now looking at the stock market here, the stock market is where, you know, stocks are being traded. So there is the buying and selling of stocks, which I'll make a separate video explaining what stocks are, or shares. So it's the buying of shares, so owning part of a company, as you know. Then we also have what is called the cryptocurrency market. The cryptocurrency market, so this is the buying and selling of digital assets. Then the other type of financial market we know is the Forex market. We have the Forex market. The Forex market. So this financial market involves the buying and selling of currencies, and that's what we are going to look at in this video for today. So this is part 1 of forex trading for beginners. So for forex trading of beginners, we'll be looking at the Forex market, which we are interested in that. So the Forex market now. So previously I did mention about the financial market, and I listed 3 types of financial markets, but I want you to know that that's not the only types of financial markets we have. We also have the commodity market, the bond market, the derivative market, and we also have the real estate market. I hope you are getting it. So but our focus here is looking at the Forex market. And what Forex simply means is that Forex means that foreign exchange. So we are going to let people using the word Forex. So what this word simply means is that foreign exchange. So it involves, this market involves the buying and selling of currencies of nations. So there is the buying and selling of currencies. So you have to note that in forex trading, or in the forex market, currencies is what is traded in this type of market. Currencies. So currencies is what is mostly traded in this market. And now this market is known as the largest market in the world, and it's also known as the most liquid market in the world. So one of the most liquid financial markets in the world. So what the word liquid simply means is that is the ease at which one can buy or sell an asset or financial asset. So is the ease at which I can convert a financial asset into cash, right? I hope you are getting it. So now, you know, the forex market, if you look at the forex market, since it's one of the largest financial markets in the world, one of the things you note about the forex market is that $6 trillion is being traded every day. It is estimated at $6 trillion. $6 trillion, not million, not billion. $6 trillion. So just imagine the trading activities that occur on this particular market. 6 trillion trading activities, can be recorded on this financial market. And now you have to know that the foreign exchange market is open 24 hours. It is open 24 hours from Monday to Friday, so 5 days within the week, 24 hours. So you know that trading activities don't occur on Saturdays and Sundays in the forex market. Now, since we understand what a forex market is, or what a forex market entails, we are now looking at what forex trading is. So now, what forex trading simply means is that it is the speculation of price of currencies. So the keyword here is speculation. So we are speculating on the price of currencies. Speculation. So it's the speculation of how one currency value will change compared to the other. So it's something like we are predicting how a currency value will increase or decrease in relation to another currency. So for example, imagine we have the euro, then the dollar, which can be represented with USD. So now what we are looking at here is that we are seeing whether the dollar will increase in value in relation to the euro. So meaning that if the euro is decreasing, then we are expecting the dollar to do what? To increase. I hope you are getting it. So it's very simple. We are just predicting whether the dollar will increase. The value of the dollar will increase in relation to the euro. So that's what forex trading is about. And people who trade forex are known as forex traders. So you hear somebody saying, I'm a forex trader. So that's what they do. They just speculate on prices. So what speculation simply means is that it's just like predicting. But what we do on the forex market is that we don't just predict or speculate. We perform certain analysis before we make our decision whether the dollar is going to increase in relation to the euro, or the euro is going to decrease or increase in relation to the US dollar. So that's what we do on the forex market. So now, one thing you should note about the forex market is that trading activities are made over the counter. Trading activities are made over the counter. So that's represented as OTC. So now if you look at other financial markets like the stock market, you notice that before you can trade a particular stock or share, or buy or sell a particular stock or share, you have to go to the exchange, the stock exchange market. You have to go to the stock exchange markets before you can place any trade or make any trading activities. But with the forex market, you don't need anything like that. You don't have to see a centralized body in order for you to do what? To place your trade. Trading can be done between two people, but in recent times there are people called brokers. That allow trading activities to occur between two people. So these brokers are like middlemen who facilitate trading between a buyer and a seller. So if you are willing to sell your assets, they'll link you to a buyer, someone who is willing to buy. So that's what brokers do. So as for the forex market, trading activities are made over the counter. You don't need any centralized body like the stock exchange market. That's how they do it in the stock market. But with the forex market, we don't have any centralized body or organization to facilitate or allow trading activities. Once you meet with somebody who is willing to trade with you, then trading can go on. But to the stock market, you just have to go to the exchange market and allow trading activities to occur. Now So now we are going to look at certain big players in the forex market. So one thing about the forex market is that everyone can engage in the forex market irrespective of who you are, but we have certain key players in the forex market. So one of the key players in the forex market is the financial institutions, like the banks. Financial institutions like banks. So we have the banks. So now banks like the central bank, they engage into forex activities, buying and selling of currencies, especially when the government is willing to buy foreign assets. The central bank helps in facilitating such trades because they hold foreign currencies of the government. And we also have other domestic banks or large banks like Citibank, JP Morgan, and Bank of America. So any big bank you can think about, they also engage into forex trading. And we also have hedge funds. Hedge funds also engage into forex trading. Then we also have retail traders. So now, what's retail traders? So what retail traders simply means is that they are traders like me and you. We are individual traders. We can't affect, we don't have any big impact on the market. So big financial institutions like the banks, hedge funds, and other domestic banks or large banks like Citibank, JP Morgan banks, they can control the prices of the market. And we retail traders, we follow the steps of these big institutions. So retail traders are traders like just me and you, individual traders. We don't have large capital like the way big banks or financial institutions have. They are able to manipulate the market. We can't manipulate the market because our capital is small. So we are known as the retail traders. So what we do is that we follow the footsteps of these financial institutions, and we'll do that in future topics on how to trade like the banks. So now we are going to look at misconceptions about forex trading. The negative beliefs people have about forex trading. So one thing people think about forex trading is that forex trading is a get rich quick scheme. Now I want you to know that if you want to engage into forex trading, this is not a get rich quick scheme, because you have to work a lot. It requires a lot. You have to work on your discipline, your trading psychology. It's not something that you do then you become rich overnight. You are going to it's a developing something. You'll be developing as you grow in the trading business. And one thing people say about forex trading is that forex trading is gambling. We don't gamble over here. In forex trading, we perform analysis before we do what? We predict. We perform analysis before we predict. So forex trading is not gambling. People have the perception that forex trading is gambling. Then another misconception is that people say that forex trading is for financial aspects. Now you don't need to be a financial expert. You don't have to have any background in accounting or any business course. Everyone can learn forex trading irrespective of your background. Then another thing people say is that forex trading is all about luck. There's nothing luck over here. There's no luck in this business. Like I said, you have to perform analysis. You just perform your analysis, then you predict. Sometimes you might be wrong, sometimes you might be correct, but you have a way to manage your risks. So everything here is not about luck. Then people say forex trading is a full-time job. You can be going to school and be trading forex. You can be a part-time trader. You don't necessarily have to be a full-time trader. There are people who are part-time traders don't necessarily have to be on the chart 24 hours. You don't have to be on the chart 24 hours, so you can use it as a part-time job. You don't have to, it doesn't mean that you have to be a full-time trader. We've come to an end of our forex trading for beginners, which is part 1. We've come to an end of it. Now, if you find this video valuable, make sure you hit the like button, and if you have any question concerning forex trading, you can do well to ask in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do well to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss on any of the parts of forex trading for beginners. We're uploading more videos on forex trading for beginners, so please do well to subscribe so that you don't miss out on the next video, which is the part 2 coming.